In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Z.AI's GLM 4.6. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, which is chat.z.ai, and then on here, you want to just sign into your account by clicking the sign in button at the very top right, and then you'll be able to sign in with your account. Now, whenever you do this, here in the top left, as you can see, you can select your model, and currently, I am on my GLM 4.6, so just click on GLM 4.6. Of course, you could also use this V over here in case you want to use that version, and when you click on it, you can just go ahead and start using it. So here you could go ahead and attach files in here. You could go ahead and do web search, enabled or disabled. You could enable or disable deep think. You could go ahead and generate AI slides here. As you can see, it's gonna allow you to do that perfectly fine. You could go ahead and use this magic design, deep research. You could write code. So there's a bunch of different things you can use and you can do with it, and that's basically how to use it. So just come on here and then select GLM 4.6, and then here you'll be able to go ahead and chat with it and use it just like you would use, for example, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other of these language models. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.